7. So till now we have completed 6 lessons, children. I think you are learning them. Yes, you are learning them. Huh? We are having a number of questions are very less, but only experiments are more, children. So try to do these experiments at home. They are home experiments. Simple experiments which we can do at home. Okay? Try to do them. Now today, let us learn about the plants. Getting to know plants. Yes, plants you know. There are big plants, small plants, very small plants. We call them herbs, shrubs, trees. Yes, yes, you are giving them names in your second standard. You have learned herbs, shrubs, plants, trees. Yes, like that. Now let us go deeply into the lesson here. Outside we observe. Go outside and observe all the plants around you. Yes, do you see some plants are small? Yes, some plants are small, big, while some are just patch of green on the soil. And some are like grass or some plants which are just like a patch on the land. You can see. Some plants yes, some have huge red flowers and some have tiny blue ones. Yes, some have, while some have none. Flowers wooden flower, given flower, okay, so red so blue, yellow, so everything differs. Yes. Why do we see a variety of plants existing all around us, near our homes, in the school ground or in the way? Yes. So you see different types of plants only in your school road or near your house or in your surrounding. The school, the park and the gardens, isn't it? Yes. Let us know the different part of a plant. This help us to understand the difference between the plant of different kinds. Can you label the stem, branch, root, leaf, flower and fruits of the plant shown in the 7.2. Here 7.2 they have given here. He is asking you what is a name the parts of the plants. Even third standard, fourth standard only you have to name the parts of the plants. So below the earth, under the ground this is a root. Yes, just like this you are taking the shoot, you are getting the upper part is called the shoot, this is called the root. Yes, under the ground it is called the root and this part is called the shoot. In the shoot you are having so many branches, yes, stems, branches, like that. So if you study small plants, big plants and very small plants and patch like plants, in that what are the different parts and what are they called? Okay, yes. Yeah, you can label this part. This is your homework. Label these parts of the plant, where they are. This is a root, this is the shoot, here there are branches, this is the stem, small stems are there. You just name this part of the plant. Next part, 7.1. Herbs, shrubs and trees. Yes, I told you just now. There are 3 types. Yes, herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs, shrubs and trees. What is the difference? I think you have learned in your small classes, younger classes. Yes, what are herbs, what are shrubs, what are climbers, what are creepers, what are trees. Yes. Look closely at the stem and branches. Plants must be smaller than you. Plants that are about your size and plants which are taller than you. Feel their stems or try to bend them gently to see if they are tender or hard. Yes, he is classifying into 3 parts. How he is classifying? He is taking your age, your size. He is telling you take your size, the size of a tree which is bigger than you and which is to you and which is smaller than you. Yes, he is classifying these herbs, shrubs and trees into 3 parts. ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಕಿನ ಉದ್ದದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಸೈಜ್ನಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣ. ಹಂಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರ್ಸ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ, ನೀವು ಮುರಿದು ಕೈ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಎಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ, ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಐತಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಐತೋ, green ಆಯಿತು, ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಇದು where does the branch appeared, and column number 4, this is the category of a plant. Okay, now here plant's name. First is giving this table name of the plant. Second column is the height of the plant. It is short or very short or above my height. Yes, here is telling the green color, tender color, and thick stem. The next column comes the at the base of the stem, higher up on the stem, and category of a plant. He is telling you to do this table. Yes, now tomato. First example he has given you tomato. What is a how is a tomato tree? It is long or short, or it is your height? No, it is below your height. Yes, he is telling you here. In this table he has written short. And which is the color of the plant? It is green in color. It is tender. Tender soft aito, hard aito. In mudu kudle bandbidutte ಅಂದ್ರೆ tomato plant. So he is telling it is tender ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ತಿಳುವಲ್ಲ all the stems ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Yes, here next at the base of the stem, higher up, and the column number 4, it is called a herb. Tomato is called a herb. What is tomato plant called? Herb. Next, again he took lemon plant. Which plant? Lemon. Mango. How is the tree? Mango is very tall, above your height. Yes. Next, how is its stem? Is it green? Yes, it is not green. It is tender? No, it is thick. It is thicker than the petal. Here the stem. Next, high up on the stem, higher up on the stem. So it is how it is. It is higher up. Yes, it is higher up. It is a long. It is having big stems. Yes. Next column number. Name of the plant is mango. Is a tree. So it is called a tree. Yes. Now take a lemon tree. Yes. About the height. Above my height. ಈ ಲೆಮನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡದಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಲೆಮನ್ ಗಿಡ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡದಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು? ನಿನ್ನಂಕಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಂಬೆ ಗಿಡ ಭಾಳ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನು. ಎಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್? ಇಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಲೆಸನ್, the below my height are called herbs. My height is called shrubs, and very big height they are called trees. Yes, herbs andre sanna sanna ಗಿಡಗಳು. Okay, height kana very small trees. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Herbs ಅಂತ. Very small trees are called, small plants are called herbs. ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್, ಅವರ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅವರ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಶರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಬೋವ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬೋವ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೈಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್ಗಿನ ಭಾಳ ಉದ್ದ. ಅಬೋವ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೈಟ್. ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, understood? Yes, here the stems are very soft. They are tender. Here the stems are hard, and also here also the stems are hard. Got it, children? Yes. Now you take different plant. You take rose plant. Like that you take some plants, and you take a chiku plant, chiku tree. Yes. How is its stems? Okay. Like that you see, and you write in this. You fill this table, which color it is, how are the stems, okay, and what is the height, that you fill the table here. Yes, now take it when the stems do not break. Huge, hug the tall plant to see how thick their stems are. So he is telling you to ಗಟ್ಟದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಗಟ್ಟದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾನ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋತ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಜೋತ್ಬಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದಾವೋ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, we also need to notice from where the branches grow in small plants. Choose the ground or higher up the stem. We will now group all the plants we observed in table number 7.1. Some examples are shown. You can fill the other columns. Yes, suggestions here. Suggestions. What suggestion is given here? Students can work in group 4 or 5 members together. Yes. You may also use weeds and soft stems to activity. You would know what weeds are in crops, lawns or in pots. Often some unwanted plants or weeds are start growing. Have you seen farmers removing these weeds from their field? Yes, here he has given you another example. And the new word, weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are the plants which are unwanted. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ತಾನೇ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವೀಡ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ. ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಲದಾಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಕಳೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನು ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಈ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೀ ಏನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾವ ಆ ಟ್ರೀಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀರಾತು ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಇಬ್ಬರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಚಂದ ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಗಿಡ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ those are called weeds. Yes, here he is telling here in this table he has given three examples. They are the 3 examples you do. Fill the 4th column later after studying the section. As based on the character, most of the plants can be classified into herbs, and shrubs and trees. For example, here shown in the figure. Yes, here in the figure they are shown here. Figure A, in the 7.3, he is showing a herb here. One plant is a herb A. A is a herb, B is a shrub, and C is a tree. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಕಿನ ಗಿಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಟ್ರೀಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಕಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಟ್ರೀಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಶರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಕಿನ ಭಾಳ ಉದ್ದ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಟ್ರೀಸಿಗೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Got it, children? Got the difference? Yes. Now, plants are green and tender stems are called herbs. So ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ. ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ herbs. Here what is happening in herbs? Here their stems are tender. The stems are tender ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಭಾಳ ತಿಳಿದು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. They are tender. Yes, next. Here they are called, they are very usually short in size. They are short in size, short and may not have many branches. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, they are having very less number of branches. So they are called herbs. Next, some plants develop branches near the base of the stem. The stem is hard, but they are not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. Here shrubs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಎಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಗಿಡ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿಂದೇ ಅದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಾಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಶರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, some plants are very tall plants. Yes, very tall. Above your height, they are very tall plants. Very tall and have hard stems. And the stems have branches. The upper part. ಇಲ್ಲಿ shrubs ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೋವರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಬೆಳಿತಾವೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಾಗೆ. ಈ ಟ್ರೀಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಅಗಲಾಗಿ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊತಾವೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ. ಎಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಭಾಳ ದೂರ ಹೋದರೆ such above the ground, such plants are called trees. So such plants are called here. The stems are also hard. They are having so many branches. Yes, they are having so many branches, and it is above the ground level. It is in the upper part there are so many branches. So that type of plants are called trees. So based on the above characteristic, can you classify the plants list by the complete the table number 7.1. So in the just now I told the table number 7.1. You on this basis, keeping in mind this basis, you complete the table. Plants are very weak. with weak stems and that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called creepers. Yes, another type. Just and other than these herbs, shrubs and trees, there are also other type of plants which are very weak and they can't stand on their own. Okay, they can't stand on their own. That type of plants are called creepers. Yes, they are called creepers. Yes, they are not able to stand straightly. Yes, they are spreading on the ground because if they can't stand, they are spreading on the ground. ಕುಂಬಳಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕುಂಬಳಬಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವರಿಕಾಯಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವಕ್ಕೇನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ those that take support and climb up are called plants. So ಈ ಯಾವ ಗಿಡಗಳು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಗಿಡದೊಂದು ಸಹಾಯ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು they are going and they are elaborating. So that they are climbing and with the help of a wall or a stick or a some building or a big tree. That type of plants are called climbers. So there are difference from the herbs, shrubs and trees. Perhaps there are some plants in your school at home. You take care, write down the names of another 2 trees, shrubs, herbs and creepers growing in your house at school. Okay, so this is the part. Now you have understood in the lesson about the herbs, shrubs and the trees, and in that herbs, shrubs you also find creepers and climbers. Yes, now let us talk about the stem. Let us talk about the stem. Okay, observe closely the stem or different plants around you. Note your different structure. Parts borne by the stem. Compare your observation with that of your friend. What do you find? Stems bear leaves, branches, buds and flowers and fruits. So stem. Now we are talking about the one part of the tree, that is stems. How are the stems? Yeah, stems. What they are doing? Stems are different structures, a part of a borne by a stem. So compare your observation that you find stems bear leaves. Stems again bartava. Stems they bear leaves. Yes, they bear leaves. They bear branches. Stems ninte branches ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Okay, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ ಬಡ್ಡಿ, ಆ ಬಡ್ಡಿನಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಹೌದಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲೀವ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ they bear bud also, buds and flowers. The main part of the plant is the stem. With that stem only the tree is, so the plant is growing to the wider region with the help of branches, and also it is bearing buds and flowers. What it is? That is about the stems. Now let us see the activity number 2. We would require a glass, water and a lead blue ink and soft stem. Pour to fill 1/3 of the glass. Add a few drops of red or blue ink in the water. Cut the base of the stem and put it in the glass as shown in the 7.6. Yes, now he is telling you to do the activity here. He is telling you to take a glass, put some water and put red or blue ink in that, and also you put a soft stem in that. Okay, and you wait for some time. Observe and set up. Does the color appear in the stem? Do you find that the color rises in the stem? If this is kept for longer period, the color appears in the veins of the leaves also. Yes, ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ or ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ನಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹರಡಿ ಆ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವೇನ್ಸ್ನಾಗೂ ಆ ಕಲರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ. ಓಕೆ, from this activity we see that the stems help in upward movement of the water. So ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಿನ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್. Yes, the water and the minerals go to the leaves and other plants attached to the stems. So this is how this experiment you can do in your house also, children. Yes, this red are growing haki stem is supplying water to all parts of the plant. Experiment prove. So the next part about the leaves I will take in the next class, children. Okay, thank you, children. Till then you make this table. You label this tree and you may finish this table which is there in your textbook. Write it in your notebook. Yes, and you read the lesson. Thank you.